Hi everyone. Now, what I'm thinking is I want to space these out, but I sort of wanted him in the middle. But I meant to get, well, I've got 7 there. I guess I can just space them out and not have that right in the center. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of our rings. I need to move them down here. And seems like everything's fallen over on my desk since I moved stuff. I was looking for glasses. My hands ain't even working today. Oh boy. What I'm going to do is put a couple of these on. Yeah, I broke my reading glasses. And we'll figure out where this one's going to go, because it's the big honking one. I think it'll go right about here. We'll just open it up. You twist it open. Then if you don't drop it and you twist it back, you get it closed. And there we go. Well, dangle. It don't want to cooperate. I guess because it's so big. But I'm going to put the rest of these on. And I'll be back, and then we'll put a few of the crystals on. And then I won't make you watch me putting every one of these on. And then I'll be back, and I'll show you the finished thing. Okay, I'll be back in a little bit. I'm back. I've got all our charms on. This is just a quick little video. And I'm not going to make you sit through me putting all these beads on, so I've tried that before, and that's not, I can't even condense that video down. Usually I'll either speed them up or cut parts out. Yeah, you don't want to watch a 3-hour video because I drop a lot of them. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take it next to the charm, hook it. I'm getting better at holding these, but not much better. These are stainless steel, that's why. Because I tried some gold ones earlier that I had, and the gold ones, they're not nothing like. There's a catch there or something. Maybe it's just where it opens. But they're, I'll have to look at that with a different pair of glasses. But the gold ones are not stainless steel, and I didn't have near a problem shutting them as I did with these. So these are stainless steel. They won't rust or anything, but I'll be back, and I'll put the rest of these beads on. It's just sort of, let's figure out, you know, where you don't have, oh, that one don't even, where they're balanced. Not all one color here and one color here and one color here. I'm gonna balance them a little bit. And I'll be back, and I'll show you what it looks like finished. Well, yeah, there we go. Turned out pretty good. I like the ocean colors. But y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.